Hello friends, today I am discussing the difference between disinfection and sterilization. At a glance, we can say the disinfection and sterilization both are same, but not. There is a difference between disinfection and sterilization. So today I am discussing what is the difference between disinfection and sterilization. First of all, disinfection. What is the disinfection? This technique minimizes the number of microorganisms but doesn't eliminate them completely. But in the sterilization process, the elimination of all the microorganisms completely. And next point, this method, that means the disinfection method doesn't eliminate bacterial spores, but in the sterilization process, the spores of microorganisms are destroyed properly. In the disinfection, it is not an absolute condition, but in the sterilization condition is absolute. And in the disinfection, various type of includes methods like chlorination, coagulation and treatment with ozone, chloride dioxide, chlorine dioxide, ultraviolet light, flocculation, sedimentation and filtration. But which type of methods are included for the sterilization, like heating method, dry heat method, moist heat, chemical sterilization, ethylene oxide gas, radiation sterilization and sterile filtration. Disinfection method used for decontamination of surface and air. Sterilization process is used for decontamination of food, surgical equipment and instruments and surgical and several medicines. And disinfectants are commonly used in the daily life, but sterilization is used in surgical operations and various labs where sterile conditions are prerequisite. And in the disinfection, the process don't require a strict guideline to be followed, but the sterilization process are will laid down and follow a strict protocol and to completely kill the pathogen. And disinfected objects has lesser number of the microorganisms, but in the sterilization process no viable organisms present on sterilized items. In the disinfection process requires to 10 minutes contact time, but in the sterilization process the contact time requires 1 minute. Another point of the disinfection is a cleaning of something using chemicals that kill bacteria and other very small living things that causes disease. But in the sterilization, total destruction of all microorganisms and their spores visually through the use of the drastic method. In the disinfection process uses moderately effective method, but in the sterilization process such as a light heat or chemicals method. In the disinfection uses in this process the detergents, hydrogens peroxide, alcohols, halogens like chlorine, phenolic disinfectant, heavy metals, heavy heating and pasteurization, these are used. But in the sterilization process chemicals, heat, high pressure, filtration and irradiation, these are used. And in the disinfection, a method that gives adequate cleanliness, but in the sterilization a method that gives extreme cleanliness. In the disinfection, the destroys only the living organism, but in the sterilization process destroys both living organism and their resistant structure. In the disinfection process mostly used to decontamination surface and the air, and in the sterilization process used in the decontamination of food, medicine, surgical instruments. Disinfected objects have less number of microorganisms, but in the sterilization process no viable organisms prevent to sterilized items.